How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your WooCommerce products to your Facebook shop or your Facebook store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And assuming that you guys have both your accounts logged in and you have your shop set up for both WooCommerce as well as Facebook. So it's what I have right here on the screen. So here's the WooCommerce dashboard and here's my Facebook account. So assuming that you guys are living in a region that hasn't IP blocked the access to Facebook shops or Facebook stores, then you should be fine right here. So all you have to do is go to the link of your Facebook store. So that's business.facebook.com. And this would take you to the dashboard to configure and manage your Facebook store and add products and whatnot. So it's not actually available in my region, but this is the URL that you guys want to go to. So business.facebook.com/commerce_manager. So once you have that going, you want to go back to WooCommerce, and from here you guys want to navigate to the top left corner of your screen. Well, it's not really the top, more like the option to the left that says extensions. So you can click on extensions like so, and click on extensions again. So this will actually redirect you to a page with that'll pull up all of the compatible tools and plugins and integrations for WooCommerce. So here's the list, and right away you see Facebook is here. So here's how you actually make the connection. But if you guys can't seem to find it, you just click on the search box right here and type Facebook. So here it is. Here's Facebook. So all we have to do here, because it's free, is click on the icon for the plugin. And this will redirect us to the page. And you guys want to click on Add to Store. Now we're going to wait for it and basically let WooCommerce work its magic, like so. So this one costs nothing, so that's pretty cool. So once you guys fill up the information and basically follow the on-screen instructions, just click on place free order and you guys should be good to go. And there you guys go. So now we're going to add the store to actually integrate it. And input the URL or domain name for your store and click on add to site, and that'd be it. What would happen is when you click on add to site is it's going to transfer all the products and statistics and whatever over to the other platform. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.